Hello, so as I presented before, I released several items utilizing the new tube. It's an innovative, very recent vacuum tube technology released by the Korg Noritake. And my release was just a bare BCV. And this is, I understand it is not so useful for the general use. So this time I prepare the full kit, including the enclosure. You see, in the output interface, we can access the speaker out and the 3.5mm stereo jack for the input, and here is the power supply input, and in front we can see the new tube face, and the switch is integrated to the volume, and here is inside. Indeed, the circuit is almost the same, utilizing the Muses 8920 and the Class D amplifier, which enables a 15-watt output. And now let's see how it works. It's switched on. And let's play something. And indeed, actually, I prepared several sets of the front parts. It's the acrylic. This is the front. And this is the back panels, which has a speaker out, each of them with a hole. And I will release these items very soon. Have fun!